Bonjour! Are you a jet-setting professional eager to speak French fluently without time constraints and conventional learning methods? Well, I've got an exclusive passport to the French language world designed specifically for you. My name is Llyane Stanfield. I'm a Parisian French conversation coach and the mastermind behind the Joëlette French method, a transformative technique rooted in the secrets of the world's linguistic elite. Whether you're in Toronto, New York, London, or strolling the streets of Paris, my methods will follow you wherever you go. I've honed my expertise for over 2 decades, helping over 300 Francophiles just like you. Picture this: personalized coaching where lessons are curated to suit your learning style. No rigid structured or generic approaches, just an accelerated journey toward mastering French. You might wonder why the tailored approach. Well, it's simple. As a language coach, I focus on your unique learning path. This isn't your average tutoring. It's a transformative experience that incorporates confidence and proficiency no matter where you're starting from. Picture this: an immersion retreat in the heart of Paris, a shoulder-to-shoulder, step-by-step journey through French conversation. Yes, I'll be your personal guide, ensuring your progress is not just rapid, but enjoyable too. So, why did I create this method? Well, like you, I once had to quickly adapt to a new country, mastering English in record time. That experience shaped the Joëlette French method, a proven technique that aligns learning with your busy schedule and ambitious goals. Speaking of technique, ever heard of deep practice? It's not just for performers or experts. It's your ticket to mastering French at any age and for any schedule. My ultimate goal is to empower busy professionals like you to embrace French fluency, sidestepping the common obstacles that many face: pronunciation traps, conversation anxiety, or the struggle to integrate practice into packed schedules. So if you're eager to leap into the vibrant world of French conversation without limits, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Together, we'll break down barriers and propel you toward confident, natural French expression. In the next video, I'll show you how the Joëlette method revolutionizes French language learning and how it can help you too.